Good morning, friends. Very good morning. Yes, good morning, friends. Okay, fine. Yeah, I understand. All are here. Thank you, Suparva. Okay, guys. Fine. So today we are starting one more important chapter, that is non-profit organization. Non-profit organization. Okay. So as the name suggests, these are the organization, the purpose of which is not to earn the profit but to provide welfare, to provide facilities either free of cost or with very negligible amount to either poor or backward economic people or to the society as a whole for education purpose or for religious purpose for the members or public at large. So whenever we are talking about financial statement of non-profit organization, we have to understand that in our what we need to prepare. What we need to prepare. Right? So we need to prepare three accounts and statements. First, receipt and payment account, which is same as cash book. Second, income and expenditure account, which is same as profit and loss. And third is a balance sheet, which is routine our balance sheet. So we will prepare RNP, that is receipt and payment. We will prepare INE, that is income expenditure, and we will prepare balance sheet, that is our routine balance sheet, what we used to prepare in every chapter. So this, how we should prepare, what are the different accounts, what are different types of income and expenses of such type of NPO, and which type of sums are asked. Now guys, the weightage of this chapter for your exam purposes, I would say 8 marks to 16 marks. Yes, 8 marks to 16 marks. Sometimes they ask a small question of subscription. Members, subscription, a small question of 6 to 8 marks. Sometimes they ask reasonably big question, that is they are giving receipt and payment account, that is cash book. From that you need to prepare INE and balance sheet, that is profit and loss and balance sheet. Sometimes they are asking a little bit lengthy question. You are given RNP plus 5-6 adjustments, and then you need to prepare INE and balance sheet. Sometimes institute ask very interesting question. They will give you INE, that is profit and loss account, and from that you need to prepare receipt and payment account, and balance sheet. So generally, this type of question are being asked from the chapter. Okay. So step by step, we are starting from the study module. Please guys, open your study module fast. Yes, you are right. Please guys, open your study module fast so that we can start step by step. And guys, my one more time humble request, don't just, yes guys. Okay. So as we discuss, this is RNP, INE, and balance sheet. Yes, RNP, INE, and balance sheet. Right? Then guys, now let's start with the first. What is RNP? What is RNP? So it is same as cash book. It is summary of cash book without date column. Without date column. So guys, important point to be noted. Please prepare a logically small format of RNP account. It is same as cash book. It is same as cash book. Now, as this is debit side, this is credit side, this is receipts, this is payment side. It is routine in every question of cash book, guys. Please write it, guys, please. Then, now, because this is cash book, generally opening balance is here and closing balance is here. Got it, friend? Opening balance is here and closing balance is here. Right? Now, guys, very important point. Please write very properly. Here we are writing all receipts, and here all payment. All receipts and all payments. But important point, please remember guys, important point is of any year. Of any year. Matlab, even if it is of current year, previous year or next year. Even if it is of current year, previous year or next year. All receipts we have to record here, either it is of current year, previous year or next year. Okay? As well as, the one important point is as well as, either it is of revenue nature or it is of capital nature. Either it is of revenue nature or it is of capital nature. Everything we have to write. Everything we have to write. So all receipts, same here, rule of payment. Any year and all nature. Any year or all nature. Same rule. Okay. The rule is same. The rule is same. Now, if I want to explain here, let's explain of receipts. Okay, let's explain receipts. Here account will over. Okay. Now just I am explaining you the example of receipt side. See, we will talk about the subscription, which is a main income of NPO, which is a main income of NPO. Okay, we are talking about example. Now, subscription. If the club or NPO or society, whatever, are receiving subscription from members, then if it is of current year, previous year or next year, if some member are paying subscription of current year, some member are paying subscription of outstanding of last year, some member are paying subscription as an advance for the next year, then whether it is of current year, previous year, next year, all are recorded here. All are recorded here. Debit side of RNP account. हमारा रूल क्या होता है? कैश आए तो उधार और जाए तो जमा. वेरी सिंपल. ओके. कैश अगर आए तो उधार और जाए तो जमा। यहाँ क्लब के पास, सोसाइटी के पास, एनपीओ के पास पैसा आ रहा है, therefore it should be on debit side. Irrespective it is of which year, once money comes in it should be debited. Now whatever nature it is, say for example subscription, what we are talking about, it's a major income of any club or society or association. It's a revenue income, we need to record here. Say for example they have sold their assets, they have sold their investments. Now sale of fixed assets and sale of investments are receipt of capital nature. What guys? Capital nature. What? Capital nature. Even though it should be debited in cash book, right? So whatever name it be, whatever nature it be, whatever year it be, it should be debited in RNP as a receipt. Same with payment side. Same with payment side. Now example, I'm just discussing a small example. Salary. क्लब ने सैलरी पे किया. नाउ इट मे बी ऑफ करंट ईयर, it may be of outstanding of previous year, it may be of some advance payment to employees. All salary are part of here payment side, either it is of current year, previous year outstanding, or of next year. They have purchased asset, they have purchased machinery, they have purchased air condition, they have purchased some tables and chairs, they have purchased some machine for gym. In a club there is always gym, okay. All are capital expenditure. It is also part of the cash book. So whatever name it is, whatever type it is, whatever year it is part of receipts and payment account. Either it is of any nature, either it is of any year, it should be credited. So till this point, it is clear, guys. Till this point, it is clear. Can we go to the next point? Yes, guys. This is RNP, right? Purely cash book. And now, guys, if you read these 3 bullet points, you'll understand it more properly, right? Capital or revenue, opening and closing. And remember, guys, this account does not show any profit and loss. This is of just cash book. Okay. Right. And one more important point here, please write. Depreciation being a non-cash, not record here. Please write very carefully. Depreciation being a non-cash, not recorded here. Yes, guys. Depreciation being a non-cash, not recorded here. So receipt and payment is purely a cash book. Purely a cash book. Now let's start with the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Please guys, be very careful now. It is same as profit and loss account. It is same as profit and loss account. And guys, profit and loss account, as you know, there should not be any opening balance, right? Also, there should not be any closing balance. Being a profit and loss account, there is no opening balance, there is no closing balance. Okay? Debit side, that is your expense side. Credit side is your income side. Debit side is your expenses side. Credit side is your income side. Okay. Now, here, remember carefully. Here, we will write income. But which income? Only current year and only revenue nature. Please write very carefully. Please write very carefully. Only current year and only revenue in nature. Only current year and only revenue in nature. Here also, two expenses, same story. Only current year and only revenue in nature. Only current year and only revenue in nature. And depreciation also part of here. Depreciation is the part of here. Non-cash expenditure part of here. And what is called net profit. Net profit here known as a surplus. It is not known as a net profit. It is known as a surplus, which is transferred to balance sheet. Which is transferred to balance sheet. Net profit is a surplus known as a surplus, which is transferred to balance sheet. Yes. Got it, friends? Clear? Clear, guys? Only current year, only revenue nature, depreciation also we need to write, and profit is transferred to balance sheet. So you can understand that from receipt side, whatever current year, whatever current year, and whatever revenue nature, right? From receipt side, whatever current year and whatever revenue nature is transferred to INE, is transferred to INE, and all capital and all capital is transferred to balance sheet, is transferred to balance sheet. So in RNP, whatever current year receipts and whatever revenue receipts are transferred to INE, and whatever capital receipts are transferred to balance sheet. Same with payment. Same with payment. All the payments which are of revenue nature and the current year are transferred to INE, and whatever payments are of capital nature are transferred to balance sheet. Are transferred to balance sheet. And therefore, if you see here, and therefore, if you see here, it is known as, it is accrual concept, right? It is accrual concept. Only revenue. Only revenue. Right, friend? And these are the bullet points of the same. So it is on matching concept. We understood it. Both cash, non-cash are here. But capital nature are excluded because only revenue nature. Because only revenue nature. Because only revenue nature. Now, friend, balance sheet, simple. It's a statement of asset and liabilities, and capital, which we used to write in balance sheet, it is known as capital fund. It is known as capital fund. It is known as capital fund. Loss also transfer to capital. It will be minus. Resident payment account का closing balance जाएगा balance sheet में on asset side, right? Like a cash and bank balance, right? Okay. Now let's discuss about some special points. Donation. Now donation is always a income. Donation is always a income. So write 2 points here, guys. Very carefully write 2 points. If no specific purpose, it is revenue and it is part of income expenditure. Please write clearly, if donation has no specific purpose, if no specific purpose, it is a revenue income and it will be on credit side of INE. Okay, INE credit side. It's a income, right? It's a income. But if with specific purpose, then it is part of balance sheet liability side. Please write very carefully, guys. Please write very carefully. If donation is with specific purpose, it is part of balance sheet liability side. If no specific purpose, it is part of INE as a revenue income. As a revenue income. Yes, naturally we are talking about donation received. If somebody give donation to any hospital and say that it's a routine donation, then it is our revenue income. It will be credited in INE. But if someone says it's a donation to the hospital, but for cancer patient only, specific purpose, it should be capital receipts, it should be on liability side of balance sheet. And whatever we use this donation for the cancer patient, it will be reduced from the particular donation. Yes, Rohit, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Perfect. Now, friend, please write important point here, please. Exactly in balance sheet, how you will show that? Please write, guys. Please write. It's a liability, asset, donation, or fund for specific purpose. Exactly how will you show this? I am telling you step by step. Right? So, how it is shown, please write first very carefully. Opening balance. If somebody has given some donation to the hospital or a school for specific purpose, say for example in last year, ओके, से फॉर एग्जांपल किसी ने हॉस्पिटल को 1 लाख का डोनेशन दिया, ध्यान से सुनना, ध्यान से, आपके सारे क्वेश्चन खत्म हो जाएंगे 5 मिनट के बाद, आई प्रॉमिस यू, आपके सारे डाउट सारे क्वेश्चन खत्म हो जाएंगे 5 मिनट के बाद, सुन लो शांति से पहले, ठीक है? किसी ने हॉस्पिटल को डोनेशन दिया 1 लाख रुपीस का, सर प्लीज यूज दिस ओनली फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट्स, ओनली फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट्स, ओके? 2022 में दिया था, मान लो कि 22 में कोई कैंसर का पेशेंट आया ही नहीं, 22 में देयर वाज नो कैंसर पेशेंट इन हॉस्पिटल, सो सेम 1 लाख रुपीस इन नेक्स्ट ईयर शोन एज ओपनिंग बैलेंस। यहां तक क्लियर गाइस? यहां तक क्लियर? 22 में डोनेशन मिला कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए, स्पेसिफिक पर्पस दिखा था लाइबिलिटी साइड हमने, कोई पेशेंट नहीं आया उस साल, तो यही जाएगा एज ओपनिंग बैलेंस। टिल दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? राइट? ओके, इस साल एक और 2 लाख का एडिशन आया, अगर मान लो कि इस साल एक भाई साहब 1 लाख और डोनेशन दिया सेम कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए, सो ओपनिंग बैलेंस प्लस एडिशन इफ एनी, ओपनिंग बैलेंस प्लस एडिशन इफ एनी। अब कितना पैसा हो, बैंक के पास कितना पैसा हुआ? 1 लाख लास्ट ईयर मिला था, 1 लाख इस साल मिला, सो अब हॉस्पिटल के पास 2 लाख रुपीस है कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए, ओके? नाउ फ्रेंड, नाउ से फॉर एग्जाम्पल लास्ट ईयर जो 1 लाख का डोनेशन आया था विच इज फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट ओनली, तो हॉस्पिटल को लगा कि यार कोई पेशेंट नहीं आ रहा है, तो उन्होंने ये जो लास्ट ईयर पैसा आया था उससे कोई छोटा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ डोनेशन फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पस। उन्होंने उसकी कोई एफडी रख दी थी या तो कोई म्यूचुअल फंड परचेस कर लिया था, सिर्फ एग्जांपल के समझा रहा हूं। तो जब आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया पिछले साल, उसका भी कोई इंटरेस्ट आएगा छोटा मोटा, प्लस इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट का जो इंटरेस्ट आएगा वो भी आपको यहीं पर ऐड करना है, ओके? यहीं पर ऐड करना है। बाद में कोई कैंसर का पेशेंट आया, और उस कैंसर के पेशेंट के लिए दवाई मंगवाई, उस कैंसर के पेशेंट के लिए टेस्ट बहुत सारे करवाए, कीमोथेरापी करवाए, वो सारा खर्चा हॉस्पिटल में किया, वो सारा खर्चा यहां से करेंगे माइनस, वो सारा खर्चा यहां से करेंगे माइनस, वॉट एवर यूज वी हैव डन यहां से करेंगे माइनस, और जो बचेगा इसको बोलेंगे क्लोजिंग बैलेंस, विच विल बी ट्रांसफर नेक्स्ट ईयर एज ए ओपनिंग बैलेंस, एज ए ओपनिंग बैलेंस। पहले यहां तक की कहानी क्लियर है? पिछले साल किसी ने कैंसर पेशेंट की डोनेशन दिया 1 लाख का, पिछले साल यूज नहीं हुआ, तो फिर उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट एफडी में कर दिया हॉस्पिटल ने कि भी कुछ ब्याज तो मिले। अब इस साल वो 1 लाख ओपनिंग बैलेंस आएगा, एफडी का इंटरेस्ट उसमें ऐड कर देंगे, इस साल अगर कोई नया इन्वेस्टमेंट मिला वो भी ऐड करेंगे। अब इस साल कोई कैंसर का पेशेंट आया और जो भी दवाई टेस्ट कीमोथेरापी जो भी खर्चा हुआ वो फंड में से करेंगे माइनस, और जो बचेगा वो जाएगा नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए एज ए ओपनिंग बैलेंस। फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर वही कहानी, अगर डोनेशन आया तो ऐड करेंगे, इंटरेस्ट ऐड करेंगे, खर्चे माइनस करेंगे, और जब तक ये पूरा डोनेशन खत्म नहीं हो जाता तब तक ये कहानी सेम आगे बढ़ेगी। ओके, सो दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ बैलेंस शीट। यहां तक की कहानी खत्म हुई गाइस? इज इट क्लियर? कैन आई से वन मोर एंड फाइनल सेंटेंस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट? यहां तक क्लियर है तो करते हैं, आगे बढ़े। सो व्हेन डोनेशन फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पस, all the income of that donation plus all the expense of donation are adjusted in balance sheet only, are adjusted in balance sheet only, adjusted in balance sheet only। ठीक है, हाँ सेम पर्पस के तो ही ऐड करेंगे नेचुरली, अगर कैंसर का डोनेशन आया तो ही ऐड करेंगे, अगर किसी ने बोला कि किसी और स्पेसिफिक फंड है तो उसका अलग से अकाउंटिंग करेंगे। जितने स्पेसिफिक फंड आएंगे, मानो कि देयर आर 10 स्पेसिफिक फंड, तो 10 और 10 का इस तरीके से अलग अलग कैलकुलेशन करेंगे। ठीक है, ठीक है गाइस। अंडरस्टूड, थैंक यू। और अब एक बहुत ही, इसको बोलते हैं बुलेट पॉइंट या तो एकदम परफेक्ट शॉट गूगलिंग, लास्ट वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वॉट एवर आई एम शोइंग हियर, ओके, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, एक्सपेंसेस जो यहां से मैंने माइनस किए, this all are not shown in INA. Okay, this all are not shown in इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट। ये नया डोनेशन आया, इंटरेस्ट आया, खर्चा हुआ, वो हमने फंड में से प्लस माइनस कर दिया, देयरफॉर नो नीड टू शो एनीथिंग ऑफ दिस इन आईएनई, नो नीड टू शो एनीथिंग ऑफ दिस इन आईएनई। नाउ इट इज क्लियर गाइस, एंटायर स्टोरी गेट्स क्लियर नाउ। डियर हार्दिक, लायबिलिटी हमारी, किसी ने तुम पे विश्वास करके डोनेशन दिया है, तो यू आर लायबल टू यूज दिस डोनेशन फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पस, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज लायबिलिटी नेचुरली, बिकॉज यू आर लायबल टू यूज दिस फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पस। आपको किसी ने विश्वास से पैसा दिया है भाई, यू नीड टू यूज फॉर द पर्पस। क्लियर गाइस? सो वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग प्लस माइनस ओवर ईयर, आईनी में नहीं दिखाना है, बैलेंस शीट में है तो पीएल में दिखाना नहीं है। क्लियर गाइस? क्रिस्टल क्लियर, एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। थैंक यू स्वाति। ओके, हाँ हाँ रोहित, मैंने बताया कि अगर ऐसे 10 12 15 20 50 डोनेशन है, सारे के सारे बैलेंस शीट में अलग अलग दिखाने हैं। ओके, थैंक यू आशा. पवन, इट विल बी टैली. पवन, we will tally balance sheet, don't worry, it will tally. हाँ, इसे थोड़ी पैसा बनाना है, प्रॉफिट थोड़ी कमाना है. यस, परफेक्ट. थैंक यू खुशी. दर्शना, वी आर वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग. ओह, दर्शना, हेलो. वेकअप दर्शना. वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस इन द बुक्स ऑफ हॉस्पिटल. हमारे पास से पैसा गया वो नहीं देखना है. ये जो RNP आईएनई बैलेंस शीट आप अपने बुक में थोड़ी बनाते हो, आप हॉस्पिटल के बुक में बनाते हो. तो आप ऐसा सोचो कि आपके पास पैसा आया है और इनकम. समझ में आया दर्शना? यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस नॉट इन योर बुक्स, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस इन द बुक्स ऑफ हॉस्पिटल. सो हॉस्पिटल इज रिसीविंग दिस. आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर. आप पूरा मामला उल्टा कर दिया आपने. होगा होगा वंश, होगा. हम पूरा बेंच टैली करेंगे. रुको, रुको जरा, सब्र करो, हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, चलो फाइन. नाउ लेट्स मूव द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सो गाइस, दिस फर्स्ट पॉइंट गेट्स ओवर. डोनेशन पॉइंट गेट्स ओवर. आई होप यू रिटर्न दिस. मेहरबानी करके सिर्फ स्क्रीनशॉट मत लेना. कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट लेने से कुछ पास नहीं हो जाओगे. इट इज नॉट a good study. You need to write in your books also. Okay. Now next is a entrance fee or a admission fee. Please underline this important line. It is a capital receipt. It is a capital receipt, not part of INE. This is in balance sheet. Please write, guys. Please write. In balance sheet added to capital fund, not credited in INE. Please write absolutely clear, guys. Entrance fee, admission fee, it is part of balance sheet. It is added to capital fund. It will be not credited in INE. It is capital receipt, not a revenue receipt, not part of INE. It is part of balance sheet added to capital fund on liability side, because entrance fee or admission fee are non-recurring in nature. आर नॉन रिकरिंग इन नेचर. किसी क्लब को जब कोई नया मेंबर बनेगा तो ये एडमिशन फी, एंट्रेंस फी, वो भाई साहब क्लब को एक बार देंगे, बार बार नहीं देंगे. जो एक बार देंगे वो नॉन रिकरिंग है, देयरफॉर ये कैपिटल रिसीट है. जो बार बार देंगे उसको सब्सक्रिप्शन या मेंबरशिप फीस बोलते हैं. जो रिकरिंग है और वो रिकरिंग वाला होगा वो आईनी में जाएगा. समझ में आया गाइस? ये एंट्रेंस एडमिशन नॉन रिकरिंग है, एक बार मिलता है, कैपिटल रिसीट से बैलेंस शीट में जाएगा. मेंबरशिप फी, सब्सक्रिप्शन रिकरिंग है, बार बार मिलेगा, देयरफॉर वो आईनी में जाएगा. क्लियर? देवांश, बाकी का जाएगा आईनी में. बाकी का जाएगा आईनी में, डोंट वरी. क्लियर गाइस? Okay. Subscription. This is purely revenue income. It will be credited in INE account. Right? Very clearly. This is revenue income and therefore credited in INE account. Thank you, Abdul. Thank you, Suraj. Thank you, Vishal. थैंक यू शिवम. आकृति आप फिर से एक बार लिख लो आपका क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज बहुत सारे यहाँ चैट बॉक्स में होते हैं तो शायद निकल गया. आप फिर से एक बार लिख दो आकृति. नो इट इज मैंडेटरीली एडेड टू दी कैपिटल फंड ओनली. ओके सूर्या. थैंक यू खुशी. ओके लेट्स गो टू दी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Life membership fee, guys, please, please, please. It is also a rep. It is also a non-recurring. देखो लिखा भी है यहाँ नॉन रिकरिंग. राइट, वही कंसेप्ट मैंने आगे समझाया था. इट इज डायरेक्टली एडेड टू दी कैपिटल फंड. इट इज इन बैलेंस शीट, not in INE. It is also added to the balance sheet in a capital fund, not part of INE. Now, friend, before going further, in entrance fee, sometimes it is deliberately told in question, deliberately instructed in question in entrance fee. Okay, the management decided 50 percentage capital, 50% revenue. If it is specifically said, then 50 percentage will be part of balance sheet and 50% part of INE. Okay, but if nothing specified, it is always added to the balance sheet as a capital fund. Okay, if nothing specified, entrance fee, as we discussed, added to the capital fund. Okay. So donation we discuss. Please, guys, this is important point. Once again, we discussed this. If it is specific purpose, part of balance sheet. If it is general purpose, part of INE. Please take this point very carefully, guys. Please take this point very carefully, guys. Entrance fee we discuss. If nothing specified, it is part of balance sheet. If it is specifies, then as per the instruction given in question. Legacy, guys, legacy is as per will. Which will be executed after the death of a person, and it is our capital receipt. And it is also added to the capital fund. Legacy is one more time. Death है, non recurring है भाई, ठीक है, एक ही बार होता है. It's a legacy, it's a non recurring capital receipt added to the capital fund. Life membership we have discussed, it's a non recurring. It also part of balance sheet. added to capital fund. Added to capital fund. Now guys, endowment fund donation. So this is same as specific purpose. Endowment fund donation is a donation for specific purpose. Same treatment what we discuss. 6, 7, 8 points are easy. No need to discuss. So first 6 points are important. First 5 points, sorry. First 5 points are important. Then guys, and before starting a question of this big question, okay, now friend, see, this is a small question. Fine. So what information you are given? This is match expenses. Match expenses. This is match fund. Donation for match fund. And proceeds from sale of match ticket. Match ticket. Okay. So guys, first point is that this is specific fund. And therefore, it is part of balance sheet. So first keep in mind very carefully, it is a specific fund, it's a match fund, and therefore it is part of specific fund, part of balance sheet. Now friend, what we discuss here, right? This should be followed. See, this should be followed. Opening balance plus addition plus income minus expenses. This should be followed. Opening balance plus addition plus income minus expenses. This format should be followed. This format should be followed. This format should be followed. Got it, guys? Okay, got it? So, this is our expenses. So, it should be minus. This is match fund opening balance. This is donation. So, it should be add. Ticket sale किया पैसा आएगा. It also should be add. Okay. So, expenses will be minus. Opening balance plus donation received during the year. It should be added. Sale of ticket, it is income. It is also added. Expense should be minus. So we can say this will be minus. All other will be plus. You can say this, guys. 110 will be minus. All other will plus. Here. $30, $55 and $20. $30, $55 and so it is 1,05,000, right? So remaining 5,000, our total expenses 110 will be debit to the INE, right? So from 1,10,000, 1,500 should be here. Closing balance will be 0 and remaining 5,000 will be debit to profit and loss account because fund is now over. Fund is now donation is over. So excess expense will be debit to P&L. Right guys? Somebody was asking me before 10 minutes, सर अगर डोनेशन खत्म हो गया तो क्या करेंगे? मैंने बताया था डोनेशन खत्म हो गया तो जो एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा होगा पीएल में जाएगा, ये उसका सम है. क्लियर गाइस? क्लियर? So donation is exhausted. So what are extra expenditure? Transfer to P&L debit side, IN debit side. Legacy will be given by someone to the club or a hospital. किसी ने विल में लिख दिया कि मेरी जो मेरे बैंक में बैलेंस पड़ा है 5 लाख का, उसमें 3 लाख इस हॉस्पिटल को दे दो. सो हॉस्पिटल रिसीव करेगा, राइट? एक प्रकार का स्पेसिफिक लेगेसी है, डोनेशन है, वो तो रिसीव करेंगे, तो वो हमारी इनकम है. ऑनरेरियम इज है सैलरी, आएगा आगे वो, डोंट वरी. रोहित नाउ क्लियर? 5,000 is transferred to INE. Now it is clear. 5,000 extra expense transferred to INE. Diamond clear. Crystal clear. Okay. कौन बोल रहा था मुझे मेरा क्वेश्चन आपने नहीं दिया जवाब? कौन है भाई वो? ऐसा मत करो यार. सूरज कहाँ आपका डाउट है? मैंने देखा ही नहीं है डियर. आप डाउट लिखोगे तो पता चलेगा ना मुझे. राइट योर डाउट हियर. Yes, guys. Remaining will be after 5 to 7 minutes break. एक्सट्रैक्ट का मतलब होता है ये पूरा बैलेंस शीट नहीं है, ये इसका छोटा सा पार्ट है. सो एक्सट्रैक्ट मतलब नॉट कंप्लीट, इट इज ए लिटिल बिट पोर्शन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर बैलेंस शीट और आईएनई. ओके भाई दई. यस वंश यू कैन. ओके भाई दई, गॉट इट. अहमदाबाद वाणी, आई एम फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद. Okay guys, take a break. We will meet after 5 to 7 minutes maximum. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Now, friend, please prepare the format of members subscription account. Members subscription account. Please write it, guys. Members subscription account. Please draw the format, guys. Sadhana, it will be recorded. All donation will be recorded in RNP. Okay, all donation will be recorded in RNP. मैंने मना किया ही नहीं है. मैंने बोला आय नहीं बनी लिखना है. ओके, जो स्पेसिफिक पर्पस वाला है वो इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर में नहीं लिखना है. आरएनपी में तो आएगा ही. क्लियर साधना? ओके वंश. Now, friend, before starting this format, please remember carefully one thing. This is member subscription. This is members subscription. Okay. Treat it like, because we are preparing this in the books of association or a hospital or a club. So, say for example, you are a club. I am your member. So, in your book, I am a debtor because मुझे आपको पैसे देने हैं. समझ में आ रहा है guys? So members subscription account in the books of club or association is one type of debtor, one type of debtor, one type of receivable, one type of debtor. Okay, and therefore, generally this is opening balance. This is closing balance. Like debtor guys, समझ में आ रहा है? What is this? This is outstanding of previous year. This is outstanding of current year. Right? Outstanding of previous year, outstanding of current year. Clear guys? Outstanding of previous year, outstanding of current year. Here, opening balance, closing balance. Now what is this? Advance. Received in previous year, advance received in current year. Please write this, guys. Two opening and two closing. Outstanding and advance. Outstanding and advance. Then, guys, two opening and two closing, right? Now, say for example, guys, you are a club. You are maintaining this members subscription in your books of account. I am paying you subscription. So you are receiving subscription. So what entry will pass in your book? I am paying you 10,000 my subscription. So what entry will pass in your books? I am paying you 10,000 subscription in cash. What entry will pass in your book? Yes, guys. So as a club, you will receive cash, right? So what entry will pass? Cash to subscription. Cash to subscription, right, guys? Cash or bank, whatever. This is subscription actually received by cash. Subscription actually received. Subscription actually received. And now, guys, this total compare. Here it will be balancing figure to INE. Subscription of current year transfer to credit side of INE. Subscription of current year transfer to credit side of INE. So this 6 amount will be there. Please write it, guys. This 6 amount will be there. Perfect. The 6 amount will be there. Okay. And now we can do question of the same. Sorry. Let's start with illustration number 6, guys. Let's start with illustration number 6. Okay. So please read it once properly, guys. Giving you 30 seconds to read. Please read illustration number 6. Yes, guys, please read it. Giving 30 seconds to read it, guys. Read question illustration number 6 first, very carefully. Then, guys, what we need to prepare? Show subscription account in the books of society, right? So this what we have discussed needs to be prepared. Okay. Now, friend, first of all, so if you see that our year is 31st March 20, right? Our closing year is 31st March 20. So this is opening balance, opening balance of previous year, मतलब outstanding of previous year, right? This is outstanding of current year. So guys, this is our format. What we have learned before 5 minutes. Please write like this. Better. Thank you, Kushi. Yes, Vishal. Pertaining means related. लिख लिया guys? Can we start to put the amount step by step? Okay. Let's read the question and then step by step. Okay. Now, during the year ended 31st March 20, the subscription received by the Jaipur Literature Society were 450. It is what? Subscription received. So where we'll put this 450 guys? This is subscription received. Where we will put this 450 guys? It's received. Yes.
In progress.
$20,000 is outstanding of previous year. Thank you, Ashika. Done, guys? Till this point clear? 450 on credit side and 20,000 is outstanding of previous year, right? Done, guys? Okay. On 31st March 20, subscription due but not received is 15,000. Due but not received matlab outstanding, receivable, right? 15,000 is a outstanding of current year. 15,000 is a outstanding of current year. Yes, guys? 15,000 is outstanding of current year, right? Okay. And advance subscription received for the year ending 20, कौन सा year दिया guys? 20 करंट ईयर का, करंट 6,000 एंड पिछले साल का एडवांस 18,000, राइट गाइस? करंट ईयर का एडवांस 26,000 एंड पिछले साल का एडवांस 18,000, गॉट इट गाइस? करंट ईयर का एडवांस 26,000, करंट ईयर का एडवांस 26,000, पिछले साल का एडवांस 18,000. यहां तक क्लियर गाइस? यहां तक क्लियर? कैन वी फाइंड आउट द बैलेंसिंग फिगर नाउ? थैंक यू रोहानी. Dear, from this Shivam, 450 you received, but in this 450, 20,000 is of previous year. So 20,000 is outstanding of previous year because you received in current year. Okay. So this side total is 483. Here also it is 483. So here it's a balancing figure. Yes. Done guys? Transfer to Vahini. Okay. Now 7. Let's conclude now 7, which is a good question. So guys, first read it, giving you 30 seconds, read it properly, then we'll do the question. Don't be so much quick, cool and calm. Read 7 for 30 seconds, then we'll do the question. First read the 7 guys. Read the 7 guys, be fast. Okay, fine. So we need to prepare once again subscription account, right? Same story. Now if you see it, the once again your ending is 31st March 20. Okay. Your ending is 31st March 20. So opening balance, opening of 2019, closing balance. So this is our basic six amount. This is our basic six amount. थैंक यू खुशी. नई थियरी नहीं आएगी, जो डिस्कस किया वही वही आएगा. ओके, आगे जो डिस्कस किया थोड़ा सा हमने वही, नथिंग एल्स. Format done, guys. Now let's start step by step. Okay, start with the first sentence. A club has 350 members, each paying annual subscription of 1050. So guys, if it is said that very clearly, then remember carefully, there are 350 members, each paying 1050 per annum, each paying 1050 per annum. So whatever this figure is that, it is our directly INE figure. This is our directly INE figure. Okay, 367500 directly INE figure. Yes, guys, simple. This is directly INE figure. This is directly INE figure. Then, guys, okay. What is next? The RNP account showed a sum of 410 received. Yes, 4,10,000 actually received. Four lakh 10,000 actually received. Yes, 4,10,000 actually received. Now, subscription outstanding, but of 2019. It's a last year outstanding, guys. So it is outstanding of previous year. Outstanding of previous year. Right, guys? This is outstanding of previous year. And this both the advances. This is both the advances. This is advance of current year. This is advance of previous year. 30 and 62. Advance of current year, advance of previous year. 30 previous year, 62 current year. Thirty previous year, 62 current year. Got it, guys? So this one figure is pending now, right? This is balancing figure, which is 34,500. This is outstanding of current year. Got it, friends? Deepak bhai, it is received in 2020, which will use in 21. It is received in 20 for the year 21. Okay. Yes. Perfect, guys. And now let's switch over to the small question, that is question number 4. Small question, question number 4. Okay. So this is, you are given RNP, guys. You are given RNP. Okay. So this is all receipts. This is all payment. Okay. You are given RNP. Okay. And then there are 4 adjustments. What you are supposed to prepare? Prepare INE account. So we need to prepare PL account. We need to prepare profit and loss account. Now, what are the adjustment? First adjustment is about subscription. Okay. So near subscription, I will write adjustment number A. Please write, guys. Near subscription, please write adjustment number A. Second, about salary wages, it's a B. It is my payment. So here I will write B. I will write B. Right? Depreciates sports equipment by 25 percentage. So sports equipment, if I have purchased, yes, it is adjustment number C, right? And capitalize 50% of entrance fee. So 50 percentage will be in INE and 50 percentage will be in balance sheet. Clear, guys? 50 percentage will be in INE and 50 percentage will be in balance sheet. Clear? I hope you have done ABCD over here. Done, guys? Yes, yes, Akruti, you can. So, friend, debit, credit, income, and expense. Can we start, friends? Okay, first let's complete the adjustment. So, subscription. So, guys, this is your previous year, and this is your current year. Okay. So, as we discussed in INE, we will have to write only current year income. In INE, we have to write only current year income, right? We can write only current year income. How much outstanding is given? 55,000. 55,000. 55,000. It should be 410. So guys, you can directly write, okay, better. You can directly write here by subscription current year 355 plus outstanding 55. So outer column is 410. You can ignore last year. You can ignore last year. 65 you can directly ignore. Current year plus outstanding 55. 355 plus 55. 410. Okay. Then guys, then donation 55 is my income. Nothing specified. It's for general purpose. Nothing specified. It will be my general purpose. It will be my general purpose. Yes, Kausarali, you can. Don't worry. Entrance fee 85. But what it says, 50 percentage in INE, 50 percentage in balance sheet, right? By entrance fee, only 50 percentage. Done. 42500. Simple. Okay. Income side is over. Okay. Expense side. Salary wages 165. Outstanding is 40. Simple, guys. 2,05,000. Very simple. Okay. Office expenses, no adjustment, 35. No adjustment. Now, friend, you have purchased 3,42,000 sports equipment, right? It is part of balance sheet. It is part of balance sheet. But we need to provide debris. How much debris? 25 percentage. Right, guys? 25 percentage. It is 85500, guys. Depreciation. So this 342 part of balance sheet. But depreciation here 85500. 85500. And last three expenses 28, 32, and 65, no adjustment. 28, 32, 65, no adjustment. So this is no adjustments. So first done, second done, third done, fourth done. Everything is done. Everything is done. So we can now just do the total and freeze. So 410 plus 55 plus 42,500, it is 507500. From this, six expenses are less. From this, six expenses are less. So it will be surplus it will be transferred to balance sheet. Clear, guys? It will be transferred to balance sheet. Then, guys, so in next question, in next session, we will start with long question. We will start with long question. Then, guys, okay, guys, goodbye. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. See you on Wednesday, and we will start long questions. किया तो सही। सी पल्लवी 65,000 ऐड मत करो, वो पिछले साल के हैं। डोंट, बिकॉज इन आईनी वी विल टेक ओनली करंट ईयर, सो करंट रिसीव्ड प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग। ओके पल्लवी? अगर आप 65 इंक्लूड करोगे तो जो उन्होंने किया हुआ है, तो आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा 65। नो नीड टू टेक 60, नो नीड टू टेक 65। अगर आप पूरा का पूरा 420 लोगे तो 65 माइनस करना पड़ेगा और 55 ऐड करना पड़ेगा। सो आई हैव नॉट टेकन 65, सो इंक्लूड भी नहीं करूंगा और माइनस भी नहीं करूंगा। उन्होंने पूरा 420 लिया हुआ है। इफ यू सी देयर आंसर, उन्होंने पूरा पूरा 420 लिया हुआ है। पूरा टोटल लिया हुआ है 420। देखो, 355 प्लस 65 420, बाद में 65 माइनस किया है। हमें माइनस नहीं करना है, तो हमें 355 लिया प्लस 55 किया, बात खत्म। 65 न तो इंक्लूड करेंगे न तो इग्नोर मारेंगे। ठीक है पल्लवी? आई होप इट इज क्लियर। Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. Goodbye, friends. See you on Wednesday. See you on Wednesday with long questions.